Good morning, it's 6:58 on the 7th of November, which is a Wednesday, UK time. That is 2 minutes before the open of the market. Let's just see what we had planned for yesterday versus what we got. Scenario 1, test lower, continue higher, and fall back down in the afternoon. So main trading idea was test lower and extend to the upside, and scenario 2 was test higher, just above the previous day's range, and continue lower to around the low of the previous day. So this is what we got. Yesterday tested to just above the high of the previous day, extended lower but not much. So this was just up to here was scenario 1, sorry 2. And then we looked like we were going for scenario 1. Test lower, continue to the upside to test the VPOC. Stop short by a few ticks, like tick and a half, and did a neutral day, finish in the middle of it. So we have 3 neutral days in a row. I don't expect another neutral day today, but you never know. So it was a completely balanced day in expectation of the elections. So what is the plans for today? Plans for today are scenario 1 is to the upside. We open outside of value in range. Test lower. Find a base and extend to the upside. My target to the upside is the VPOC of MC VPOC at 517 and continue lower. That's on a normal day. If we end up having a driver and a really strong push up, I expect us to visit ranges up to the one above 522 is the next one I have level is 552. 552. Scenario 1. With the elections out of the way, I think this is the more likely scenario. And scenario number 2, open, test outside of the range. Come back down in the range, test the VPOC. And on the lower end, test the previous day's low, and HVN at 414. The HVN at 414 will give us a range of 70 points, so that's scenario 2. Scenario 3 Area 3 is just a trend up. Trend update. 3. And the upside of this could be a strong trend update. Weakness of the dollar can go up as high as 600. And that's my plans for today's trade. We'll do it again tomorrow.